I know it looks like any other small economical sedan, but keep watching and you'll see that this car has quite a bit more to offer. I'm Chris from Audionautix, and today we're going to take a look at this 2024 Nissan Sentra SV. For quite a while now, Nissan has offered cars that have been very affordable when compared to the competition, and this Sentra is no different. But does that mean it can't offer what that same competition has to offer? Actually, no. But we'll get to that in a second. First, the specs. Freshly updated this year is this mid-grade 2024 Scarlet Ember Nissan Sentra SV. Standard equipment includes halogen headlights and taillights, chrome V-Motion front grille, body-colored exterior door handles with I-key switch, SV-grade emblem, front and rear disc brakes, remote trunk release, body color power outside mirrors, and vehicle security system. The interior houses a 4-way manual passenger seat, manual tilt and telescoping steering column, 7-inch advanced driver assist display, Nissan Connect 8-inch color display with multi-touch control, wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Sirius XM radio with advanced audio features, front USB-C and USB-A ports, rear USB-A ports, voice recognition,
please say or select a command,
passenger seat back pocket, 60/40 split folding rear bench seat, and Nissan Intelligent Key with push button start. Safety features include Nissan Safety Shield 360 that provides automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection and forward collision warning, rear automatic braking, intelligent driver alertness, lane departure warning with haptic steering wheel, high beam assist, and blind spot warning with rear cross traffic alert. There's also a rear view monitor, plenty of airbags including driver and passenger dual stage front impact airbags, front seat mounted side impact airbags, rear outboard seat mounted side impact airbags, knee airbags and curtain airbags, active understeer control, intelligent trace control, active ride control, and intelligent cruise control. Now for the options that include the premium package for $2,520 that consists of 17-inch alloy wheels, power sliding glass moonroof with tilt feature, front and rear quilted leather seats, 6-way power driver's seat, intelligent around view monitor, 8-speaker Bose premium audio system, leather shift knob, turn signal indicators on exterior mirrors, and rear center armrest with 2 cup holders. The $590 all-weather package adds dual zone climate control, heated front seat, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, heated exterior mirrors, and remote engine start. Finish things off with the carpeted floor mats for $270 and the $395 premium paint, and you get an impressive MSRP of $26,430. In order for cars to be economical, there must be a fine balance between where you spend and where you don't. And while the front end was refreshed this year, I don't think they blew the budget. LED lights? Nope. Striking design? Well, it does look better than previous gens, but we'll have to see where else this car excels. If it excels. The trunk provides 14.3 cubic feet of space behind the rear seat, which is a cubic foot larger than a Corolla, and the seats fold down for a bit more room. Under the floor you'll find a jack and compact spare if you need them. Allowing this Sentra to scoot is a 2-liter dual overhead cam 4-cylinder engine with stop-start that makes 149 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a new Xtronic continuously variable transmission that drives the front wheels. There's a sport button to make things sportier, but this car is more about efficiency with an EPA estimated fuel economy rating of 30 miles per gallon city, 40 miles per gallon highway, and 34 miles per gallon combined. Auto Academics saw an average of 35.2 miles per gallon during testing on regular fuel.
The Backseat offers a good amount of space for your head, shoulders, and legs, although the seatbelt buckle is a bit close to my hips, so larger passengers beware. On the plus side, the center hump isn't too bad, so a middle passenger should be okay for shorter commutes. It is stylish back here, and in addition to the cup holders in the center armrest and doors, there's also a USB-A charge port and seat back pocket too. Now, up front, the interior looks nice too, and not just for a $20,000 car either. The black and tan motif pops, and the diamond stitching on the seats with perforated sides looks premium. The leather's a bit stiff, but it's fine nonetheless. I like the steering wheel too, but the leather on that is kind of smooth and shiny, and while the stereo sounds fine and the infotainment unit works well, the resolution could be better, as could the cameras. The colors are vibrant though, and again, this is a $20-some thousand car, so I'll try to keep complaints like that to a minimum. When you think about it, you're getting a lot for 26 grand, so I have to applaud Nissan for that. So now that we've addressed all of that, it's time to take it out and see how it drives. It might not seem like much, but having an actual physical shifter is kind of nice. It's familiar and feels good, unlike some other cars on the market. Now, that being said, I'm very impressed with how this Sentra drives. The steering responds well, and overall, handling is good. Like, surprisingly good. Bump absorption is admirable, and there's not a squeak or rattle to be heard. In fact, the cabin in general is very quiet. The 2-liter 4-cylinder is smooth, but power is basic, no thanks to the CVT. It does mimic shifts as you climb up the rev band, and there's a sport button too, but the result is still mushy, drawn out, and uninspiring. And we aren't surprised by that, are we? But I'll be honest, as long as I don't have to accelerate hard, I don't really notice it. On the flip side, the brakes are plenty strong enough and have a lovely pressure feel in the pedal. Now, the leather steering wheel could use a bit more texture because it's rather slippery on cold mornings. Also, if you remember, I mentioned earlier how this car doesn't have LED lights. Apparently, they're only available on the M.S.R trim, and that's a shame because they're standard on all Corollas, and have been for many years. And if you live where it gets really dark like I do, that can be an issue. But other than those few things, this car really drives well. And when price is a top factor, it's a decent option for a small car that can carry a family of 4 around comfortably. So there you have it, guys, the 2024 Nissan Sentra SV. All economical cars have to skimp in one area or another. And while I don't think the exterior of this Sentra is anything to get excited about, there's a lot more underneath that is. Want to share your thoughts? Go ahead in the comments section below. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss what we have coming up next. I'm Chris from Auto Academics. Thanks for watching.